Hi friends, today I want to tell you a few things about idioms and proverbs. English language is inundated with idioms and proverbs, different and wonderful idioms and proverbs. But it's very difficult to learn all of them or to learn very objectively. So I just thought I would simplify the efforts and make these small videos to learn idioms and expressions. So my idea was like take a simple term and give the idioms and idioms to express that term. I hope this worked for you. Please let me know in the comments below that these videos have really helped you and the style of learning idioms has really helped you. In today's video we are going to check the term to follow. The term is to follow and the idioms used to express follow are toe the line. The first one is toe the line. So you can use the idiom toe the line, meaning to say you follow someone. Next one is fall into line. Next idiom is fall into line. The third one is in the wake of. In the wake of. Fourth one is follow the trail. Follow the trail. Fifth one is trail behind. Trail behind. And the sixth one is follow one's lead. Follow one's lead. I hope these videos have been useful to you. Please practice. Please remember the key to success, key to a good score, key to a desirable score is only practice.